He's killing it, man. He's killing it. He is knocking that grass down, brother, with them tires. It's gonna be the best part of the video. What's up, YouTube family? Gerald Greenlee here with Cleaning Green Lawn Service in dark South Georgia. Dark and wet South Georgia. Man. What a week. What a week. What a week. Yeah. By the way, there ain't no bubble gum in that box. That's a little trash box. Look at my receipt box, man. This big old box. There's my dog. Roof, roof. Oh, man. Try to get it done today, man. Gotta try to get it done. Let me get my coffee here poured up, and I just want to show y'all what time it was. I left the house about 5:50. Down here getting my coffee made, and gotta get to work, man. All right, we rolling now. The chauffeur can't even see us, man.
I don't think so.
It'd be daylight by the time we get where we're going. 15 minutes, a lot changes.
Yeah.
20 minutes.
If it wasn't foggy, you'd be able to see a little better.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I almost died. Elro, I took this out just in time for him to almost pull out in front of that car and to pull out in front of that one. Oh. All right, man, it's 8:51. We already got 3 done. Randall's still in bed asleep this morning over there with Elite Landscape and Life Stories. Y'all check him out. Yeah, Josh is at work, so he ain't cutting no grass. Weather don't look too promising, but we just gonna go till we can't go. We got at least that we need to get done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. So we'll see what happens. See what happens is all you can do. What in the world's this dude doing?
He's coming across, straight across.
He said he gonna just get on out there, man. Get on out there. He don't know Elroy will run him over. Hey, where's it at? I mean, Elroy done run over the trailer with the lawnmower. And then blame me for where I parked it. Hey, that's better than the day you said, hey, come here, you need to look at this, and that window was gone. Remember that?
Yeah, but that wasn't me.
I think that was the trimmer.
Yeah, that wasn't me. I hadn't even been on that side of the truck.
Oh, man. Yeah. So we got to run out here a little ways and knock one out. And then all the rest of them will be pretty close together. So, I don't know. This one out here is probably, this is a couple of acres.
Yeah, just rough.
Yeah. Nothing, no kind of routine to anything at all.
No runs.
So no runs on it really. We got it, then we got one that's about 2.5 acres, another one about 3 acres, another one a little over an acre. So we got one small one left, that's it. So maybe we get one of the big ones. If it ain't raining, I can set you up and let you get a little time lapse of it or something. Y'all probably can't see him, but I'm gonna see how many laps Elroy makes with the deck all the way up. He's killing it, man. He's killing it. He is knocking that grass down, brother, with them tires. It's gonna be the best part of the video. I'll see if he knows sign language. Watch it. Oh, there we go. We'll cut some grass now. We'll cut some grass now, man. boy. Hey, you can't make this stuff up, man. All right, check back with y'all. Boys, we got the rain now. But Josh, I'm in the yard, bro. I'm in the yard. I'm going to my neighbor's shop. Been hollering about that seatbelt, man. We got everything done through Thursday and 2 off of tomorrow. So they got 5 left. One of them's about, they probably cutting about 2 acres of it, but it's got a lot of stuff in it. It's time consuming. And then they got one that's about 1 acre, but it's wide open, nothing to it. And then they've got 3 little ones, like 1/2 acres. So if it don't rain, they shouldn't have no trouble getting out there knocking all that out. You know. Anyway, finna ride over here and see what my neighbor's doing at the shop. So I'm gonna get them started in the morning, and then I'm gonna hook up to my boat, and I'm headed north, man. Headed north. Now it's Thursday here. I'm not sure if I'll get this up tonight. I might get it up tonight. It might not have, the first people that watch it probably won't have no music over the time lapse. Takes a while for that part to load on there, but anyway. I'm gonna stop here and see my neighbor a minute, and I'm gonna go home. I don't even like he's here, man. He ain't even here. Huh. Well, let me go in here and see where he's at. Check back with y'all. I think that house is a little bigger than what my actual house is. That looks 2-story. See it on there? That might be the church. Anyway, yeah, we done for today. My neighbor, he was He's been down to Florida installing some cabinets or finishing up some or something, so he ain't back yet. So I got to go home and get everything ready, get the boat ready, get my truck cleaned out, all that kind of good stuff. Actually, I got to go get some gas before I hook up to the boat, because, well, I got 129 miles to empty, but mine's on a quarter of a tank, man. My truck don't hardly see a quarter of a tank. I get down under a half, man, I'm looking for a gas station. I know some of y'all run it till the light comes on. It don't take long to get the light to come on with that trailer on there. Anyway, hey, hope you enjoyed the video. My prayer for you is always the same, that the Lord might richly bless you, and that you might see all of your blessings as from Him. Hope you have a great day.